So it's a holiday today and we're planning to head out to Alibag. We're going for a ride after a long time actually, and these monsoons haven't been stopping for quite some time. This path that I'm currently on, that's the mighty RA Road, inside RA Road in fact, towards Royal Palms. So yeah, in case you're planning to go for an off-road, this is the ideal place. It's the same usual condition year after year without any scope of improvement. I mean, yeah, of course, in between, in case there are elections and all, so the local MLAs of course prepare it, and that's just a vote bank. I mean, just yesterday a car actually flipped in the drain. I'm not sure how the car pulled that off, but yeah, scary stuff. So normally I would take this straight road ahead, but the condition is actually worse than this, so take a slightly longer route, because that is fairly pothole free. But yeah, like I said, we are heading towards Alibag. I mean, I've been there a couple of times earlier, but not on my bike. And we plan to take the ferry instead of riding all the way. Ferry passes from Mumbai to Mandwa, the drop point at Alibag. And for those who are not from Mumbai, Maharashtra, Alibag is a weekend destination for many Mumbaikars and all around. I recently got my bike serviced after my Ladakh trip, and I was waiting for the rains to stop and then probably do it once and for all. The rains haven't been forgiving so far, so I got it done. And then I realized now, and I've been meaning to do that for quite some time now, that the chain hasn't been lubed properly. So right now it's making some noise and it's sort of irritating right now, but let's see. I mean, for this trip right now, it's not a very long trip, but I would want to get this chain lubed. Although this sound is a bit irritating. I'm not sure if you can hear the audio. But yeah, first stop, I'll meet my riding partner, and from there we'll head out to the ferry point, and we'll book one of these ferries where they'll help us commute directly to Mandwa, that's Alibag, and we can actually put our bikes also on that. So that's the best part out here. Otherwise, yeah, there's an alternate route. You can actually ride directly to Alibag. And today we were a bit tired, so we thought maybe just take some extra sleep and leave a bit late and just take the ferry to cover up the distance. I really need big mirrors. The stock mirrors from BMW, they're not at all great. The coverage is very limited. I was recently seeing this Instagram post. I'm not sure if it was in India or something. So it had like a, I want to say 360, not 360, but at least 180 coverage. You place that mirror something out here, this part, and of course you can see yourself and everything on your right as well as left. I'm not sure whether this is the correct way, but he's not stopping me. Thank you. I mean, it's not that much of a hassle, but yeah, I mean, quite convenient to actually just board on these. I hope there's like a parking where the bike doesn't move much. Nope, there is no place. The entire trip I think took around an hour, I believe, and yeah, quite comfortable. Even the entire deck area was pretty neat, clean, so were the washrooms as well. But yeah, overall quite a satisfactory ride. We're currently at Mandwa Beach, I believe. So I think we'll head out to Alibag from here, and let's see, catch up with some lunch and all that. We took the M&M ferries from Mumbai, and it cost us around 390 per person and 210 rupees per bike. So around close to around 600 bucks per person one way. You need to book your tickets online. You can't purchase any tickets on spot. There is no window for that. It's quite pleasant here at Alibag. Not really Alibag, but yeah, that's the Jimny, the black one. Looks quite decent. I don't know why people bash it though. But yeah, coming back, it's pleasant. I wouldn't say it's like really hot out. It's 29 degrees. And not that sunny, but yeah, I have my arm sleeves on, especially to protect my arms from tanning. The rain gods have been in our favor today, so it hasn't rained. And one of the very reasons why I didn't carry my riding jacket, I didn't wear my riding jacket, because my rain gear does not fit over my riding jacket. When especially someone's honking at you and you're riding a bit slow, and that too in the middle of the road on your side, I think the basic courtesy is to move aside and let the vehicle pass, provided they're honking or they're blinking, whatever it is. Riding etiquettes are a rare find today. And the state of our highways. These bad roads with massive potholes, right? It's on and off in the last, I think, 15 minutes actually. This is on our way back from Alibag. We are on National Highway 66. The other side, for that matter, is being concretized. So that is the long-term objective, right? But until then, everybody will have to suffer. When you actually travel a bit on the rural side, right, there's a very typical pattern that I always tend to observe. When you see, or rather when the roads are a bit jammed because of any unforeseen reasons, be it traffic, poor road conditions, etc., whatever it is, some cars, some vehicles get so damn restless for some reason. I'm not sure why, but they start honking, driving like a maniac, cutting people, and the moment the roads are empty, they just start driving normally. I'm not sure what is the reason for that, but strangely weird. Not sure what's wrong here. Is there a fucking big pothole? And that is not at all inconvenient for bikes. The sky is pink today. This is the usual route back. I mean, when most of the times when you go to Lonavala or anywhere nearby, right, this road is quite familiar. Although I still prefer to just maybe put on the maps in case we happen to lose our way. And crazy amount of traffic, but we will take the highway. Yep. The civic sense of actually putting on an indicator is not there. I mean, respect to those guys who actually can understand that there's a bike coming from the left and who's actually just blinking without creating noise pollution. Oh. I couldn't make up my mind whether to go left or right, so ended up taking the right.